us. Hi guys, welcome to UNIJOU. So as you can see in this video, we are going to Hagerman National Wildlife Refuge. We came here in the winter. So right now we're in winter, and as you can see, it's in Sherman, Texas, as it says on this map. See, it says Hagerman National Wildlife Refuge. So today we're in Texas and see this place in winter. So you can also check our video about summer, and we'll put the link below. You see that, and enjoy the ride. That's the best! Did you see how big that blanket of birds came and covered us? Like a big blanket falling on you if you were having a pillow fight or something? That was so great to experience. The birds' activity really depends on what time you visit. So right now we're in the evening, they're like flying on top of us a lot. But if you came in the morning, we also came in the morning. So we came 2 times. We came in the morning, they flew on top of us still, but they didn't do that much. These birds flew a lot. Like they flew like 5 times when we visited. But when we came in the morning, they flew like 1 or 2 times when we saw it. So I think you should come in the evening or mid-evening, something like that would be a great time to visit. No matter what time you come here, it's free of cost and it's a great place to visit. So you'll always see birds. So I think you should get out right before dark since it's a forest. There are lots of wild animals since it's Lake Texoma, So the birds won't just stay in one place. If you just expect them to stay in this lake that we're showing in the video, it's not always going to stay there. There's lots of lakes in Hagerman National Wildlife Refuge. The birds could be in any one. They could also be in a few. Like in this place, we saw like one big patch of birds here, and then another place near like this big visitor center. We saw another big batch of birds. So if you want to see activities and all that stuff, you can see our other video. We'll post a link, just like I said. drive-through. It was no need to get out of the car. So this is a great place to visit in COVID. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to our channel, thumbs up, and share this video with all your friends and family. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.